Hello, today is August 10th, 2026. This is a Ṣajẹ drum beat. What is a Ṣajẹ? It's something you can chew. It's just a snack, small snack. And I'm picking from the Yoruba talking drum beat that contain proverbs. So I'm pulling a little bit drum theme out and I'm beating for you guys to learn how to beat it. So this one is gonna be again. I'll repeat it again. So I said, àti dúró bu omi kànga iyọnu ni. Àti bẹ̀rẹ̀ bu omi kànga iyọnu ni. Àti lè gungi ọ̀pọ̀tọ́ ojú ejò ni yóò ṣe. So another style you could use it, instead of just beating it and putting your do re mi's, do re mi. If you feel the skin is too soft or too humidified, too wet, you could hold on to it with one thumb and then continue with your do re mi's. So it will look like this. Without it, it will sound like. But if I hold it down tight already, so I'm making the skin now a little bit tighter, it will sound like this. And then you could also insert names on it. Versus. So you just have to play with it and then you develop your muscle memory. Àti dúró gungi, àti dúró bu omi kànga. It's not an easy task to fetch your water in a well that doesn't have a real guard. It was later on in the Yoruba history that they started building a caste around the well. Before it just used to be an open well. So it's a dangerous odyssey to fetch water in those uncast well. Àti bẹ̀rẹ̀ bú, to kneel down and do it is dangerous too. You could fall into it. Àti lè gungi ọ̀pọ̀tọ́, for you to climb on your ọ̀pọ̀tọ́ tree that has thorns in it. Ojú ejò ni ó ṣe. You're running away from the snake and you're going to try and climb on the ọ̀pọ̀tọ́ tree that has a series of thorns on it. Ó ti há, ọlọ́mọ ajá há o. You guys remain blessed.